Over the last few weeks, a quiet crisis has unfolded between Iran and the Republic of Azerbaijan over a variety of issues. The episode began in early August when social media users in Iran reported mistreatment of Iranian truck drivers by Azerbaijani forces along the Goris-Kapan highway which links Iran to Armenia through the newly liberated Karabakh region. The Iranian trucks were carrying Armenia-bound goods from Iran but due to the change in Karabakh's borders during a 2020 war had to pass through a road curve into Azerbaijan's territory. Amid all this, a series of other issues further complicated the situation between Tehran and Baku. To make things worse, Azerbaijani lawmakers unleashed a series of hostile remarks against Iran bearing stern threats against Tehran. One Azerbaijani lawmaker thundered that Pakistan's army would invade Tehran if it made any hostile move against Baku. Another lawmaker threatened to cut Iran's stay. These remarks angered many in Tehran and mounted pressure on officials to respond to Azerbaijan. Thus began a series of Iranian statements reminding Baku of the dangers of an escalation with Iran. In response, Ahmad Naderi, an Iranian lawmaker, said on Twitter that some Azerbaijani lawmakers have now gotten carried away many times and utter words that are bigger than their size and capacity. He asked his Azerbaijani counterparts to interpret Iran's silence as a sign of greatness and pay attention to their duty in maintaining good neighborliness with Iran. Otherwise, the hand will be restored to the body, he said in an apparent reference to possible irredentism on the part of Iran. Mohammad Reza Ahmadi Sangari, another Iranian lawmaker, tweeted leaders of Baku have been illusioned by their Karabakh victory which was achieved by Turkish doping. The age of your small country is less than that of our youngest lawmaker, he boasted, adding that the Azerbaijani lawmakers should not discredit themselves by targeting Iran. These harsh words came after Iran's low-key approach to resolving the dispute came to naught. The Iranian ambassador to Azerbaijan met several times with high-ranking officials in Baku. But the Azerbaijani lawmakers continued to make hostile remarks. Iran then dispatched military reinforcements to its borders with Azerbaijan in a clear show of force. In addition, Iran launched its own military drills in the region. Diplomatically, Iranian foreign minister met with his Azerbaijani and Turkish counterparts on the sidelines of the United Nations General Assembly in New York. Hopefully both countries will sort out the problem very soon. Thank you everyone for watching this video.